What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Our live chat channels have been buzzing for quite some time now, and we want to make sure that we're taking advantage of every opportunity to interact with our customers. With Odoo's live chat application, we have the ability to track our website visitors and see what pages of our site that they're visiting, what products they're looking for, and if they plan on coming back. Not only does that allow us to see what pages of our website are the most interesting to customers, but it also allows us to tailor our sales pitch based on the customer's site activity. So let's check it out. Okay, here we are on our Stealthywood website. Right now, I'm browsing the site just as a visitor would. First off, here on our homepage, I can see there's a link about a new product line, and I do want to check that out, so let's go ahead and click the See More button right here. When I do, it takes me to this events page, and now after taking a closer look, this Open Wood Collection online reveal event looks really cool. It's an online event, and it's free, which is extra fun. So I'm not going to register now, but instead let's check out our shop option here at the top. We might see what's currently available first. And right now, this banner with the new is really catching my attention. So let's take a look at this Focus Pod product. Okay, this Focus Pod looks really cool. It looks like a nice addition for my office to take phone calls or even let employees do focus work. So at this point, I'll probably want to talk to somebody about this Focus Pod because I might want to order a few. So we're just going to click this chat bubble here at the bottom right corner and see if anyone's able to answer my questions. So I'll just start off by saying, I have some questions about this product, and send it off. So I just happen to be the available live chat agent, so I will receive this notification right here. When I receive a new chat, this message pop-up window appears no matter where I am in the database. I also have the Discuss app, and when I click into that application, I can see the message from visitor 272 here on the left navigation. And this is especially useful if I have multiple live chats active at once. So if I click into visitor 272, I can see their message. And since the person who sent this message was really vague on the details, I'm going to need some help figuring out exactly what product they're talking about. So I could ask the customer, but instead I'm going to use one of my live chat commands. So if I type in this /, this gives me a list of commands that are available for this conversation. Depending on the apps installed in my database and the features turned on, this list may vary right here. You can learn more about commands in our documentation, which I'll make sure to link down below. For now, though, let's focus on the history command, which shows me a list of the last 15 pages the visitor on our site checked out. So if I type in history here, select it, and hit enter, look at all these pages that the visitor checked out when browsing our site. Since the product page they looked at recently was the Focus Pod, that's probably the one they want more information about. It's a good thing I have more information about it right here. So I'm just going to hit this plus icon right here in the typing field and click Attach Files. From here, I'm just going to enter in our brochure for the pod and then type in a brief message and then send it off. That should give them the info they're looking for. So that covers the visitors who contacted me, but what about the ones that don't? Luckily, we still have a way to see this information and see what interests our customers. So let's jump into the live chat application. And when we do, we're going to notice there's a visitors button right here in the upper menu. And when we click into it, we have a full list of every person who's visited our website in the past 7 days. Not only does this give us an idea about what kind of foot traffic we're getting to our site, but we can also see where our visitors are from. This flag under their names represent where they're located. And the visitors with a name, a photo, and the email and SMS buttons mean that they have an established connection with us, they're already in our database, or even have a portal user already signed up to our website. Since we have the contact information for these users, we can reach out to them directly with targeted messaging about the products they're looking at. For example, Lori, for instance, right here, is a regular customer. Let's see what she's looking at. It looks like Lori was on a few different pages from her last visit, and we could see that through the different smart buttons here at the top. I can also see which product she's looked at. And down here in the products field, looks like she was looking at the customizable desk as well as the focus pod. So I should reach out to her about that. Or I can just wait till next time she's online if she signs on again. If she does, this smart button right here will turn green and say online. And then I'll be able to message her directly from here. Hope she doesn't mind me saying hi. All talked out yet? I hope not, because it looks like I have some more visitors to take care of. Until next time, see you later, Odooers.